Would you let your kids use the Vision Pro?
Definitely, yeah, for educational purposes.
I got up at 5:30. I was here at 6:30, so very early.
6:30, but doors open at 8.
Exactly.
Hey geeks, it's your girl Debbie and we're back at the Apple Store. And no, it's not for another iPhone, but today we're going to witness the launch of the Apple Vision Pro. And before we jump into it, this video is supported by Secret Lab.
Here at Geek Culture, Secret Lab is our everyday ergonomic buddy. Whether you're working, playing, or taking a quick nap, we feel less aches and more refreshed, even after sitting for long hours. Secret Lab provides ergonomic support literally from head to toe, from dynamic lumbar support to their proprietary medium foam cushioning and even premium footrests that promote circulation. That's good for you. For more information, check out secretlab.co.
Okay, hi Irvin, welcome back. You're no stranger to Geek Culture. How are you doing this morning?
Very sleepy. I didn't get much sleep, but I'm very excited. Just got my Vision Pro.
What time did you get up this morning and what time were you here?
I got up at 5:30. I was here at 6:30, so very early.
6:30, but doors open at 8.
Exactly.
Okay, so I didn't get to ask you this the last time, okay? But because you're here, I'm assuming you're here every year for something new with Apple?
I try, yeah.
Okay, so do you have a tradition? Like, do you have like a mantra or like a certain thing that you prepare before you arrive here?
Make sure my clothes are packed and ready before I go to sleep the night before, yeah.
So do you iron your shirt today?
I think I did.
What are you most excited about? What's the first thing you're gonna do when you get home?
I'm gonna set it up and I can't wait to mirror my Mac display on Vision Pro because I'm gonna use it for work mainly. But I just got a demo actually. It's very comprehensive and you can use it for almost anything that you want it to do. So like entertainment, games, FaceTime, Telegram. I use Telegram a lot, so I'm gonna use all of it, yeah.
Okay, what about gaming? Do you game?
I game quite a bit, but the games on Apple Vision Pro are not there yet. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna game on Vision Pro, but everything else, I'm very excited for it, yeah.
Okay, what about shows? Like, are you gonna watch any porn? Okay, so how does your wallet feel right now?
Painful, yeah. So it's not cheap. It's not cheap, but a lot of people are gonna agree. Like when you try it on, you really can't put a price tag on the experience. It's really something else, yeah.
So yeah, you were second in line for the iPhone 15, but today you're first. So congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hi, what's your name?
So hello, I'm Benjamin.
Where are you from, Ben?
So I'm French, living in Singapore.
What time did you wake up today to get here?
I have two daughters, so they needed to go to school, so like 6:30, and then I had an appointment for 8:30, but I was here a bit earlier, so yeah, I'm a bit based. I didn't wake up only for that, I would say, but yeah.
So you have two daughters, right? What do you think about other people who has their hands on this? Do you think this would be the new way of dating online?
Yeah, for sure people will meet, probably will talk even more on it, especially I think it's called like the persona feature, so I'm really willing to play with it, to try it, to see how I look like with this guy and to do like FaceTime video calls with it. So yeah, for sure, this, it's not only for dating. To me, it's really something that will come up over the next few months, next few years, that could be very interesting. And of course, this thing can be also very personal, but the goal, what could be a big strength, is to make it like more something that you can share with other people. You can share your environment, what you can see with your windows, etc., with your spatial environment, and also, of course, with people on the other side of the planet. Especially today, we work more and more like in a remote way. So yeah, it could be very useful to work together at the same time, being on the other side of the world, but I can see you in 3D, like you. I would say we can see each other, we can work together on the same topic, etc., etc. So yes, it could be very interesting.
I see that you have your Vision Pro here.
I will work on it for professional reasons and also personal reasons. So we have already like a few apps working on Apple Vision Pro. So as a Apple platform, let's say developer, iOS Vision Pro, it's very useful. And we see that there is a lot of potential with this device and with brand new apps that we do not have in mind yet and that will come up, let's say, over the coming years.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Maria and I'm from Brunei.
That's nice. What brings you here to the Apple Store today?
Just browsing, and one of my friends actually arranged the Vision Pro demo for us. So yeah, just came along to see what it's all about.
You've tried the demo. What is your favorite feature about the Vision Pro?
I think my favorite feature for this is definitely the spatial video and photo option. Being a mom, I think it's really special that you get to recreate these memories and experience it in like 3D. Also because all the educational aspects that it could bring, like for the future with kids, like experiencing things like going back in time to like seeing dinosaurs and things like that. I think it's really cool.
Would you let your kids use this? I mean, okay, for context, how old are your children?
My kids are 6. Yeah.
So young. Would you let your kids use the Vision Pro?
Definitely, yeah, for educational purposes and for some immersive experiences that they can't already experience in real life. I think it's a great way to teach them beyond what we have in front of us. So, yeah.
And that's all we have for today, folks. So if you like what we're doing on our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow our socials. Until next time, this is Debbie signing out.